everyone, welcome to WiseLink Academy. Today we want to look at an aspect on how to inscribe circle in a triangle. In our previous video we did how to circumscribe a circle in a triangle. So today we are going to be doing how to inscribe, that is how to draw this a triangle this way. So how to inscribe a circle, the circle will be what inside the triangle. Now the question goes below. A triangle has the following, that is, a triangle has the following parameters. BC is 50 mm, BA is 38 mm, CA is 40 mm. So inscribe circle, that is, want to inscribe the circle in the triangle. Now the first thing to do is what? You draw horizontal and vertical, horizontal line. Yes, this is my T-square this way. You draw your horizontal line this way. Now I haven't done that, so we know that our line that we're going to draw first is what? Line AB, am I right? So our AB is given to be what? Our AB 38. So we're going to measure by 38 from a point. So taking my meter rule this way, 38. Let me assume this my point 1 is 0, 1, 2, 3, 38 falls somewhere here. 38. So I'm going to thicken it to this point. So that simply means my line, this point here, taking this point here, and what? Taking it here. So tell that this line A, this is line B. Next up, they said our C will fall somewhere here. But what do you notice? They said line AC is 40. So I'm going to what? Take your compass and measure out 40 from this point here to this point. Is my 40. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 40. At this point A, as you can see, strike an arc this way. Having done that, you will what? Proceed by what? Taking the radius of BC, and BC is 50. Take it from this point here, from this point here to this point, in the point 50. At this point B, strike an arc this way. So where they meet is my point C. This point is my point C. So next up, I will what? Connect them together. From this center point C, I'll connect it to point A. To produce what? My aim is to produce a triangle. Connect it this way. As you can see, take this point here. Connect my point B to my point C to produce what? A triangle. Now I'll be having this. Next up, our aim is to what? Draw a circle that will be tangential to the inner part of these lines. So the circle must be touching each edge of this. Now next up, I will take my compass this way with any convenient radius, with any convenience radius of my choice. I just take it this point. Let me use this radius. At this point, cut it this way. Can you see that? You come to this point here, strike an arc. Come to this point here, strike an arc. As you can see. Next up, you take it to this point here. You cut it this way. So come to this point here, strike an arc. Sorry, I'll show you. This point here, strike an arc. I'm coming. So that point here, strike an arc this way. Come to this point here too, strike an arc this way. So where they meet, that is what I mean. We connect this point here B to this point B, and this point A to this point A. So connecting them, we're having this. So my point B to touch that first point, right this way, and my point A to touch this point here. I'll be having this. So next up, where the line meets, they meet at this point. So I'll just place my compass this way. I'll gauge it like this. So I will draw my circle. So where they meet, I will get it to draw my what? My circle. That is something like this. See, take it this way, as you can see, this way and this way. So we have successfully what? Inscribe this circle in a triangle. If you found this video helpful, kindly click on the subscription button and like. Thank you. Welcome to Wise Link Academy.